Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Thinkific, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Thinkific website by typing www.thinkific.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button in the upper right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Here, you can enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling out the form, click the Continue button. You will then be asked to provide some additional information. Enter your full name in the appropriate box. Next, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. You may also need to indicate whether you're a course creator or a student. Once you have filled in the necessary fields, click on the Create My Account button. A verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your inbox for the email from Thinkific. Open the email and look for the verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. After verification, you will be directed to complete your profile. Fill in any additional information requested to set up your account. Once finished, click Save to update your profile. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Thinkific. You can now start building your courses or exploring the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.